Good morning. This is Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich with your Tuesday, March 12th, 2013 outlook. We'll start off with the interactive radar this morning, and the much advertised cold front that we've been talking about the last couple of days will be pushing through later today. And out ahead of it, you have all this precipitation around ahead of the cold front, and just showery activity mostly for this morning across Eastern PA, or much of Eastern PA and Central PA. Steady or light rain was falling across New Jersey. And then we're paying attention to this area down here by Baltimore, Washington, this gathering. You see these heavier, darker banding that's showing up here down by D.C. We're expecting this to move up into eastern Pennsylvania and New Jersey later today. Taking a look at the NAM future radar, this shows us very well. This is the current timestamp, and it shows that, the shower activity here and the steadier light rain here, heavier down here, just like we have now. And then as we go forward in time, you see what happens here. These brighter colors here, these yellows and oranges here, these indicate heavier, steadier rain, and so we'll get progressively worse throughout the day. Now this is very pretty steady, heavy rain here now at 10 a.m. this morning, and then we get to noon, it's still going strong. The afternoon it starts getting a little bit lighter, except for in Jersey, and then by we're looking at an end time of precipitation. At State College will be after 10 p.m. this morning from west to east, and then Harrisburg, it looks like it's going to end about 2 p.m., about 4 p.m. or so in Allentown and most of eastern PA, and then about 7 p.m. in Newark. So that's what you're looking at for your time frame today. And we'll put the GFS in here in motion. Here's the cold front sitting right here. It's going to push through, and the important thing I wanted to show you here is that you're going to have cold air moving in behind this cold front, but this is not January. This is March. So any kind of cold air you're getting this time of year is not 20s and 30s and brutal cold. We're talking about 40, 45 time ranges here. It's still going to be colder, but not ridiculous. Here's our first disturbance. Weak disturbance comes through Saturday. We think it's mostly rain, but it could be a few snow showers further north. I'll show you that in a minute. Second system, GFS has diving down to the south here, and the third system is a Lakes Cutter, which is also a warm system. We'll look at the European model, which is courtesy of Weather Belay Analytics, which we do have replication rights since we are affiliated with them, so I don't want anybody to think we're using something illegal here. This is Saturday morning. Again, 8 o'clock Saturday morning, you're looking at maybe some snow showers up here in the mountains. You might get coating to an inch in higher elevations of the mountains in north central PA, maybe even northeast PA if it gets over there quick enough. But as you look at the next timestamp, this is just weak and sheared out. These grays here indicate 1/10 of an inch or less of precipitation, so not a big deal. It's also 2 o'clock in the afternoon at this point, so that we get the March sun working against you, and you got temperatures in the 40s, and it's just not conducive for snow. Let's move ahead for Monday. Weak system we had going south on the GFS. The Europeans trying to take a little bit further north, but again, it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so this is going to be rain. And then we got a third system, which is our Lakes Cutter. Low pressure sitting right here, cutting into the Great Lakes with some heavy precipitation, and a warm front straggling it, pushing out against it. Right now, it looks like rain. Again, you might have a little bit of maybe sleet or something at the onset, but we're not looking at anything as far as winter precipitation right now. This system is here now. Yesterday was out here bombing and dropping a whole bunch of snow, and we said be cautious. We don't think that's going to happen, and it looks like that is the case. That is going to cut into the lakes or cut over west of the Appalachians and give us a rainstorm as it looks right now on Tuesday of next week. That's all I have today. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich. Have a great Tuesday.